Hi and great regards from Armenia. In this presentation, you will see our past and current achievements, collaborations with other theaters, and international projects and festivals. The first one is Artavast Award Theater, which is so important event organized by huge efforts of ITI Center and Armenian workers. And every year, Artavast is dedicated to our prominent actresses, and now you will see our affiches and our prominent and our Hakop Kazantian, which isn't with us because of language barrier. We have wonderful theaters, actors, and directors, and the awards became a superpower in field of performing arts, encouraging cultural life. Now you see Yof performances, the Best Actress nominations, which is a huge effort. And the next one is Theatrical's Unique Festival. In this case, we boost artistic and cultural life in our regions because we know they aren't so close in city centers and which is so difficult to them to be in theatrical life. We display performances of our best theaters and we just create and collect over 10 the great theaters in Armenia and represent our people, and crowded house our only aim. Then we have annual Aboyan Festival, which is also the main purpose is this to enliven the theatrical life in Kotayk region, to inform theatrical communities about achievements and developments in theatrical art, and of course the reinvitation to theater. And now you see our pictures from our performances and our artists. We also just take them chance to make part in this region. Yeah. And we have also motivational speech from our head, the Center ITI Armenia. The next one you see Youth Theatrical Festival, which is so important because we collaborate with Georgia, and this festival brought together representatives from 13 countries. And the program features numerous performances, seminars, master classes, and create a workshop for collaboration. It is unique because we have young actors and actresses from Soviet Union. We build strong friendship during festival and make it. Then we have so huge, like we met the legend Chopin's daughter and granddaughter. Then of course our collaboration with Georgia Autumn Sunset. The most important thing we did with ITI Center is implement unique international project collaboration with which we call the Comedy of Firmus and Thisbe after Shakespeare. So the aim of this project was bringing together actors from Armenia and EU member states in single performances. So it was unique because we gave them chance to present in their native languages, which is so important to just came closer to the most beautiful languages and make them opportunity to represent their languages also. And of course, we just keep our keep in touch, and we are open for new collaboration and cooperation. So this, you see the result pictures from performances in Armenian. And of course, pictures from our energetic and enthusiastic rehearsals. Then we have Theatrical Gawar Festival, also connected with our regions. We do also patriotic and performances, and of course performances from children. We are grateful to be part of community and this warm family. We appreciate your efforts that you make theatrical life more energetic and more living. Thank you.